In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a payment link using Stripe, a popular payment processing platform. Whether you're managing an online store, offering services, or just looking to streamline your payment process, a payment link can be an incredibly versatile tool. With Stripe, you can create a simple, secure method for your customers to make payments without any complicated setup or technical knowledge on their part. First things first, we need to visit the Stripe website. Open your preferred web browser and log into your Stripe account. If this is your first time using Stripe, or if you haven't logged in for a while, make sure you have your account credentials ready. Once you're in, you'll arrive at your Stripe dashboard, which provides a comprehensive overview of your account, showing recent transactions, payouts, and other insightful data. Familiarize yourself with this page as it's your central hub for managing your Stripe activities. Now direct your attention to the navigation panel on the left side of your screen. Here you'll find a list of options related to different aspects of your Stripe account. Click on the Payments section, which will expand to show more options related to receiving and managing payments. Among these options, you'll spot Payment Links. Click on this to proceed to the next step. A payment link allows you to collect payments in a straightforward manner by simply providing a URL to your customers. Think of it as a virtual point of sale. Next, you'll see the option to Create Payment Link. This is the heart of today's task. Click on it and a new window or form will appear, prompting you to fill in various details. You'll need to include the essential information such as the product or service you're selling, the price, and any other relevant details you want customers to see. Ensure the information is clear and accurate, as this is what your customers will base their payment on. A key feature within this form is the currency option. Stripe makes it simple to cater to a global audience by allowing you to change the currency. So whether your customer is in Europe, Asia, or anywhere else in the world, they'll be able to reliably make their payment in the currency that suits them best. Once you've entered all the necessary information and verified that it's correct, you'll be ready to finalize this payment link. Review all the details to ensure everything is set up as desired, and then click Create to generate the link. Congratulations, you've successfully created a payment link using Stripe. Now, this link can be shared with your customers, added to your website, or included in an email. It's a simple, effective way to boost your payment workflows and provide convenience for your customers. Happy selling, and until next time, take care.